Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 8 screws securing the base cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges. Lift it off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the wireless module. Remove the single screw that secures the wlan card bracket. Remove the card bracket. Disconnect the antenna cables from the connectors. Slide and lift the card away from the connector on the system board. To reinstall the wireless module, insert the wlan card into the connector on the system. Connect the antenna cables to the connectors. Place the card bracket to secure the antenna cables. Replace the single screw to secure the card bracket. Plug in the battery cable. Align and place the base cover on the computer. Tighten the 8 captive screws to secure the base cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.